Hi everyone, this video is about how to auto-tune your audios on Audacity. Follow me on this video. The first thing to do is to go on your Audacity, then record your audio or your songs you want to auto-tune. The first thing to do is to select the track you want to edit. Then go and click on your graillon tree. Then you can play and edit this pitch shift. Then click on preview.
Another love, all my tears been used up.
So I will click on apply. So you need to remove this one from this place to J2. And you can also add these options here. Let's click on apply and see before and after.
Another love, all my tears been used up. Another love.
So this is the before and do.
Another love, all my tears been used up. Another love.
So if you like this song, just type the like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching this video.